Today I'm going to unbox a new shipment I just received. Have some pretty nice looking cars in here. Let's take a look at them, and then I'm going to unbox one by one. Let's see, the first one is a 1969 Ford F100 with a bed cover. It's by Greenlight. That's what they call a perfect truck. I like Greenlight Collectibles because they really do well in 1 to 64 cars, as well as the other scales. I've also got this 1970 Chevelle, Copo Chevelle. This car looks nice. It's awesome indeed. I like those wheels and tires. Very good way to find out whether a company does well in reproducing model cars is comparing the photo of the actual car to the one of the model car. This looks fantastic. Macune Auctions. Here comes another muscle car. 1970 Charger. I like this color. It's beautiful. It's an awesome car, really. You can see the Charger RT badge on the front grille. Rally wheels and tires. The RT badge. One on top. It's also an auction car. Here it comes. 1970 Challenger. I like this purple. Beautiful. That's what I like so much about Greenlight cars. They really do a good job. And a couple police cars. One is a 1977 Plymouth Fury. New York City. It's a nice front. Very nice taillights and bumper. Oh, focus. That's it. And last but not least, 1975 Dodge Coronet. Reminds me of Chip's second season. When they replaced the 1974 Monacos with 77 Coronet. It's written here 1975, but this is wrong. It's actually 1977. I think it's 1977. It's written here 1975 Coronet. I'm not quite sure this is 1975 Coronet. It's written Coronet, but I think it's most likely to be a 1977. It's a 1978 actually. Same thing about the scar. Looks much more like 1978. 1977 was had a little more little straighter lines, and the car was a little bit bigger. Was a previous generation of a Dodge Monaco. I'm going to check on that before seeing a bunch of garbage. These cars are nice. I like Greenlights a lot. Next up, I'm going to unpack them. Put them in the case with the other cars, and then just for dioramas. This is it. So, once I've unpacked the cars, let's take a closer look to each one of them. Start with this 1977 Plymouth Fury. It's said to be 1977. I really got my questions about this. Hood opens. Let's open it. Let's take a look, closer look. See the very nice V8, a Mopar V8. Really like this grille. This front. Car is pretty much well done. I think the suspension looks a little bit high. Perhaps it should be a little bit, perhaps 1 millimeter lower, but that's okay. Trims are nicely made. Police badges are also full of details, just like the lights, the exhaust pipes. Just looking underneath, the chassis is quite simple. I think this exhaust pipe is wrong. I think they're supposed to be right here. I'm not quite sure of it. Fury badge. It's chrome bumper. It's a very nice car. Really like the sirens. Nice interior. That's why I say it's always good to have rich details instead of having opening things. This car has got the opening hood and the engine is nice, but if the engine was not supposed to be nice, it's better to keep the hood closed. Let's move on to the next car. That's Dodge Coronet. Still gotta check the year. Hood opens. Hood also opens. It's a little pain to open the hood of these cars. There we go. Perhaps the same V8. This car's got the push bars, just like those ones we used to see Chips series. Nice daylights. Highway patrol car. Not all American police cars have got the push bars, but it's a very nice feature. Some cars, some former police cars that are bought by civilians, sometimes keep those push bars, have those push bars left, and they become very useful. Hubcaps are nice, dog dish hubcaps. They've got all details just like the original ones. That's a nice car too. I really love this Dodge. Let's open the hood. Well, I managed to have the hood open. We can see the Hemi engine, the Hemi orange, front grille. I really love this color. With a white interior, it looks fantastic. Black dashboard, a sold badge, vinyl top looks correct. It's like the rear, and the chassis in this car is richer in details than the ones in those two police cars. Very nice model. Dodge Challenger, let's take a look. The Hemi Challenger, beautiful. It's fantastic. That's an RT. Beautiful car. I really like those wheels. I think Greenlight does a very good job on them, as well as the vinyl top, this purple, this Mopar purple color. I think this is a crazy plum. I'm not really sure of it, but it's a very nice color. Now let's change brands a little bit. We've seen 4 Mopars so far. Let's take a look at this Chevy. It's a 1970 Chevelle SS Malibu. It's a beautiful car. And this is a Copo Chevy, which means it's got a big block engine. It's like those ones used in Copo Camaros. It's an orange engine. Nicely detailed. Very nice grille. I really like this front. I think this car is something special, really. It's one of the most good-looking muscle cars of all times. It's a nice rear. Well, Greenlight actually does an excellent job in their cars. Let's do one more branch engine. Let's go for Ford now. That's one of the most beautiful Ford trucks Greenlight's ever made. You can see the wheel covers are perfect. That's a 1969 Ford. Very nice grille. Ford badge. Opening hood. Big block Ford. Very nice engine compartment. White top. I think this white and green color scheme looks perfect. Trims look very nice. This bed cover actually comes out. Just don't want to get it out, otherwise it might break open and just keep on not staying there all the time. That's a nice truck. I really like it. Well, so this is it. Showed some more of my 1964 cars. Hope you've enjoyed. Please just leave your comments below. Give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next video. Bye bye.